Together with the launch of our new bedplate solution, as part of the new mechanical package, we want to present the new version of WITTEC. Besides some changes in the structure of WITTEC, after the update of WITTEC database, there are now integrated to the motor bedplates. If you want to know which software or database you are working with, create and project. Then click Project and Project Information. The current versions are now displayed. After creation of a project, you will find new and additional pictograms as suggestion of a possible installation situation. At the pictures you will see the rope direction as orientation. Based on this, you can select the version which you want to use. Equal to the former WITTEC versions, dependent on your selection, WITTEC will start the designing and include with switch on of the button Add Machine Frame the bedplate design. As result, you will find as new component the visualization of a bedplate. Of course, it's still possible to design the installation itself, and here it's also possible to add the motor bedplate. This you can do equal to the other components by touching and positioning of the icon. All available frame solutions are visible in the Katalog. After put in of the relevant values, you can start the calculation. And with selection of one of the suggested motors, you will get the first results. Now, dependent on the chosen design, we have to apply the correct solution. Additionally, we have to add the required drop. As a result, you will get an already calculated bedplate, and to avoid mistakes in the other steps of the calculation, you can apply the values in the system. In case of an incorrect selection different to the chosen design, we will get an information about this. It's also possible to calculate bedplate solutions outside the WITTEC standard. Then you have to switch on the button Free Pulley Positioning and have to put in the relevant values. WITTEC will calculate based on this. If the calculation is ready done and with selection of the needed additional information, we can create the report. The WITTEC report includes now too the information about the bedplate.